how are we doing today? I'm going to be talking about something different. Let's review our Black and Shine organic cream. So let's review our Black and Shine organic products. As you can see on the background of this video, I have my cream displayed for you guys. If you are looking for a good cream, when I talk of a good cream that will take care of you, color Black and Shine organic, because we have the best organic cream for you. Cream that will take care of you, that will blend your whole skin, that will not give you knuckles, will not give you burn, that will not damage your skin. This is the right place to get the best cream. So we have oil as well. This oil is specialized in taking care of knuckles, wrinkles, knuckles, wrinkles, sunburn, stretch marks, and many more that you can heal with this oil. If you have white spots on your skin, if you have skin tags, you can use this oil to take care of it. The only difference is that when you have a skin tags, you are not going to just apply the oil on it directly. I will be telling you a way you are going to use it when you buy it. I'm not going to say it now, but when you buy it, I'll be telling you a way to use it to remove your skin tags. So guys, we have many other products. As you can see at the background of this video, we have other products that you need to patronize us. Sorry guys. So we have so many other fantastic products that you can buy from us. We have lightening soap, we have normal soap, we have I'm so sorry for the noise you are hearing at the background of this video. So sorry, I'm in the plaza where I do business. So that is it. We'll have, this is the small container, though very soon we are going to be changing our packaging. We need to upgrade. So we'll have our facial cream. This is a facial cream that you can apply on your face. Yes, this is it. It's a facial cream. If you have any issue on your face, this is the best cream to use. Then we'll have the body cream. We have body lightening cream. This is our body lightening cream. So you can use this to lighten up your skin, not to kill or to damage your skin, not to destroy or to damage your skin, but to maintain your skin and make your skin look beautiful. So this is a body lightening cream. So we have body milk. If in case you want to just maintain your skin, you don't want to lighten your skin, we'll have that as well. Then we'll have our black soap. Woo! I love this black soap. I always tell my clients that the ingredients in this black soap, I don't play with my soaps. I make my soap so special in a way that if you are using only the soap alone, you will get the best results out of it. Help me and close the door. So this soap is very wonderful. Wonderful for your skin. It will not damage your skin. It will not damage your skin. This soap will take care of your skin and make it look amazing, glowing. You can see the way I'm glowing. You can see the way I'm shining. Just if you want to shine like Black and Shine, just come to us. I'll be dropping a number in the description box. Use it and holler me and place your order. Another thing is that we ship worldwide. Can get to you. Our products can get to you anywhere you are. This is our black soap. Let me show you guys. So this is it. This is our black soap. This black soap is everything you need to have. I'm so sorry, my kids, they are making noise. Sorry about that. Then this is the magic oil that we are talking about, guys. Let me tell you one thing about this oil. I don't play with my oil. I don't play with my oil at all. If you know the benefit of this oil, some people they don't have patience. But if you want something to work for you, if you want to get the best result out of anything that you are using, you need to be patient. This oil is wonderful. So guys, this product is worth trying. It's worth trying. You won't regret buying any of my products. If you're having wrinkles, this oil, all the things that this oil is doing is written here. So you can just go through it and know the one. See, no knuckles, You won't see all those things on my skin because I'm using the best products from Black and Shine. Yes, so you need to patronize us. If you need any of the products, my wigs that I review for you guys, and the oil, my products, my skincare products, just contact me. I'll be dropping all information in the description box below. Reach out to me, then we talk business. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I remain your only Black and Shine. See you guys on my next video. Bye.